TensorFlow 2.0 Attribute error. Module TensorFlow has no attribute session. When I am executing the command ses equals tf.session in TensorFlow 2.0 environment, I am getting an error message as below. System information. OS platform and distribution, Windows 10. Python version 3.7.1. TensorFlow version 2.0.0 Alpha 0, installed with pip. Steps to reproduce installation. Pip install upgrade pip. Pip install TensorFlow equals 2.0.0 Alpha 0. Pip install keras. Pip install number py equals 1.16.2. Execution. Execute command, import TensorFlow as tf. Execute command, ses equals tf.session.
According to TF1 column 1 symbols map, in TF 2.0 you should use tf.compat.v1.session instead of tf.session. This URL, to get tf1.x like behavior in TF 2.0 one can run. But then one cannot benefit of many improvements made in TF 2.0. For more details, please refer to the migration guide. This URL.
I faced this problem when I first tried Python, after installing Windows 10 plus Python 3.7, 64-bit, plus Anaconda 3 plus Jupyter Notebook. I solved this problem by referring to this URL. I agree with. I believe session has been removed with TF 2.0. I inserted two lines. One is tf.compat.v1.disable_ego_execution, and the other is ses equals tf.compat.v1.session. My hello.py is as follows.
If this is your code, the correct solution is to rewrite it to not use session, since that's no longer necessary in TensorFlow 2. If this is just code you're running, you can downgrade to TensorFlow 1 by running, or whatever the latest version of TensorFlow 1 is.
TF2 runs eager execution by default, thus removing the need for sessions. If you want to run static graphs, the more proper way is to use tf.function in TF2. While session can still be accessed via tf.compat.v1.session in TF2, I would discourage using it. It may be helpful to demonstrate this difference by comparing the difference in hello worlds. tf1.x hello world, tf2.x hello world. For more info, see effective TensorFlow 2.
To watch a quick summary and